given all of the news and then in the speech last night, I just wanted to just give a brief overview of some of the announcements the president made about how we were going to, that give more detail, I should say, on how we're going to meet his commitment of course, directing states to ensure that every American is eligible to receive the vaccine by May 1st, how we're going to expedite it, and how we're going to get to the point where we are having July 4th barbecues. So first, he announced the plans to deliver vaccines directly to up to 700 additional community health centers that reach underserved communities, bringing the total number of community health centers participating in our federal vaccination program to 950. And this is hugely important as we're talking about addressing access, vaccine hesitancy, meeting people where they are in communities, because these health centers are trusted places in many communities where people go and they get regular health services, and so this will dramatically increase that. We're going to double the number of pharmacies participating in the federal pharmacy program. When we first announced this, if you all remember, we announced that it was a pilot program and we're going to see how it went. It's extremely successful, and it has been very effective around the country. And so now the vaccine will be available at more than 20,000 pharmacies across the country. He will also more than double the number of federally run mass vaccination centers to ensure that we reach the hardest hit communities. And he talked about this in the speech, and we've seen these in communities across the country, and many of you have covered this, where you can drive up in your car with your family members, get the vaccine, and it is quite inefficient, and they can reach often thousands of people in these vaccination sites. And also announced the deployment of more than 4,000 active duty troops to support vaccination efforts, bringing the total to over 6,000 in all. So that's obviously a significant increase, and expanded vaccinators, the people who can give these vaccines, to dentists, optometrists, paramedics, physician assistants, veterinarians, and many more.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.